On top of the senior brother for the television station when they side the world, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Every weekday from 10 go reach 11 not on Christmas. Sake of say we dey carry all the talk when they come on smoke inside Nigerian political arrangement, drop and down so that everybody go call to chook mouth for inside the matter and talk am the way the team be them for body. The essence now for those where the matter concerned to take the necessary action to move our country forward. Ezugu Chukudi and Nkubi, and we dey look the 100 days of President Muhammadu Buhari for inside office. We get the first lady of Aside Hot, Madam Queen, calling from the great state of Lagos. Madam Queen, good morning, ma.
Good morning, Chukudi. Good morning,
Madam Queen.
How una dey o?
We dey try.
I dey enjoy una no be small thing o, but una no beat una sef because the way I dey sit off una one day una go break bottle for una head.
No, now you go start am. I no fit time me.
I don't even know how to
know what a bottle is.
I don't even know how to open say you are a liar.
Make I chook mouth for the matter wey dey ground. As it take concern the 100 days in office of President Muhammadu Buhari, me I go say make people get more patience. And I still understand the people say the reason why then they vex be say during the campaign, APC make a lot of promises. Now, the kind of Nigeria we get, people they always expect everything sharp. But you see, sharp thing, anything way good, no fit happen sharp like that. The man don't make plenty promises. Sake of say during campaign, you must tell people everything where you want to do. Even if you don't go do them immediately, you go tell them say, now the things where you want to do be this. And Nigeria be say, immediately you don't enter brand, they want the thing now. Me, I go say make them get patience. I believe say all the promises where they make, by the grace of God, God will give them the strength and the power, the wisdom to then make sure say everything go better. Because you see, Nigeria are for all of us.
Yes,
It don't too much for criticism. It don't too much. Make we know they criticize. Now so we do criticize, pursue good luck, come out. If we begin to criticize Buhari too much, now we go soon pursue and come out. Maybe the next person will go there, go come even worse. So make we leave him. May we see what thing he go do for us. I mean, 100 days, yes, we expect so much, but we believe say as time they go, as they say even then they see say we they vex, then go do more and then go continue to work. So now prayer make we dey pray say make Nigeria better because they need to tackle a lot of things. And another point we say, say these people now the first time when they go enter federal government with this, they no go just hit the ground running. They go got to put so many things in place before they go work because whether you like it or not, they go still learn on the job. You know to compare them to people who don't date their rule us for 16 years. So those ones are continuity. And this one are change. So
Madam Queen, thank you very much. Every time when you call us, you dey talk waiting to make sense.
You don't talk like woman where we say where they try resolve issue for in picking them. And me, I understand. I don't know whether you understand, but me from my church mind, yes, I accept all your talk. Chukudi, Oga Chukudi, they call us from Owerri. Don't look at me.
What you don't know, you make sense at all.
Oga Chukudi,
quarrel between children.
Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Where would they quarrel?
Good morning, Kubi.
Look, answer. Don't do it.
Yeah, good morning, Chukudi.
Oga Chukudi, good morning, my brother.
Thank you very much. Honestly, make we look this matter as it takes concern 100 days like this. This government now be like saying a new Peking where they born. If you born new Peking, you get stages for the growth. You go first open your eye to the see. You go first after the open eye, you go just begin the crawl, the waka. You go begin the stand up. From there, you go begin the run. You don't go expect your Peking where you born today. You don't go crawl. You go now begin the run. No. But anyone where you do, any stage where you accomplish, be like say problem there. You go delay. You go delay the other one to develop. If you not talk when you supposed to talk, you go delay him for the next stage where you go enter. You see, what we talk is say, we not expect this government to do everything within 100 days. They give us 7-point agenda. Now, waiting to make one out of the 7 now, they won't sweep other ones. What did they tell us for unemployment? Anything don't show for that side? No. What about free meal? What they promise us? What about the free education? What about insecurity? What do they hear now? Now corruption. Fine. Nobody says it's not good. But make that one no go sweep other important aspects of their agenda. That's the point we're making. If corruption now be 30% as it takes start, make employment count be 30%. Make free meal come be 30%. make free education when the police go be 30%. We go not know say they don't prepare ground for the takeoff of the next stage. That will be the quarrel there. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Chukwudi.
Oga Chukwudi don make very, very important point. But then again, we go like emphasize, say, 100 days, not be period where we say, we go just look, say, okay, oh, everything not change. Because all of us agree, say, the country need collective effort. Whether you did this party or you did that party, everybody need to join their hand together to move our country forward. Like Unkubi been talked earlier, before I come cut and cut or say it is not yet Uhuru. We know say the body language of this government na the one wey be say they talk say they wan fight corruption sake of say corruption na im be the foundation of every other problem wey we dey get inside our country. We believe say if we kill corruption, the people wey dey follow backyard go give people work, e no go dey. People wey go talk say they get work, they no dey come work, e no go dey. The reason why our schools dey spoil, our hospitals no dey work, power no dey dey, all these things we go comot am for inside this our country. He go been talk about say 100 days they never convict anybody. But remember say we don talk am here severally say before wetin we dey see be say our anti-corruption agencies dem dey quick wan rush go court. If you rush go court say okay you wan make everybody see say una dey work and una no do proper investigation and at the end of the day the judge come dismiss the suit wey you carry come against person, wetin the thing go be. So if our anti-corruption agencies dey do their investigation make dem do am well. Wetin we as Nigerians need to do na to give our government support, because I never see anywhere for this country where we say before NEPA bring light they go ask you which state you come from, they go ask you which language you dey speak. Nigeria na our country and e go better for all of us.
Chukwudi, may I also pick up from where this is. If you also listen to wetin the likes of Oga Chukwudi and Madam Queen talk, you go also hear say look, everything about governance na stages. No be say you just see make you expect that uhuru that magic immediately. Na stage by stage.
I no say uhuru. I no say uhuru.
Oga okay from Calabar.
No dey spoil wetin I talk before people call dey talk say na me dey talk nonsense.
Oga okay, good morning.
Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga okay. Uhuru.
How na dey?
We dey fine.
Okay, this morning I just dey happy, dey jolly.
Okay.
Why?
Why?
Na about how they push the Boko Haram people. Confusion come dey for their camp. They no come know wetin they do. That one my happiness now, because wetin I dey pray for na to peace today for Nigeria.
Yes.
So that we all go see Nigeria as it been before. Hardly hear say something like this happen for Nigeria, but these days now we just be like Iran and Iraq, which with the world no knows like that. And again on the 100 days issue for our president, you see, sometimes I wonder how we get fishermen for Nigeria, because if you be fisherman and you don't get patience, nothing for you. Yeah? So all we need now to get patience, now to give our president support so that he go move this our country forward. But if we dey rush him every day, they talk say 100 days nothing, 100 days blah 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 blah. No, like I said earlier, the beautiful city of Rome we are not built in a day, and I pray that our good Lord will continue to provide for we Nigerians and make a way for us. Thank you, and God continue to bless you.
In that spirit, in that same mood of ensuring that Nigeria, they say God will provide for us, God will also provide for me and you, and also provide for them. Ogoke don't talk well. In fact, I'm excited right now because Ogoke also joined the line of Madam Queen and Oga Chukwudi. We talk, say, look, now gradual process. You understand? So what are we saying? So pikin wey they just born now, you no go expect them to just stand up here. So they run. You go first start to do it and they learn the first survey environment.
You know the problem I get with you. The problem of eye service. Now I get with you.
Start they run.
Because when the show starts, now one thing you they talk. As our gallant, our articulate listeners, they hear our point. Come begin, they call, they talk their own.
You don't see any of our listeners mention, say, Unkubi, this way talk, no be so.
But from their talk, you go know, say, many of them, they talk, say, this our government.
Chukwudi,
as we dey give them time,
leave that
make Nigerians begin dey talk.
That side where they bring
so that government go know wetin dem dey do.
E no go work for you.
You come there first and say,
e no go work for
make
you.
Everybody go sleep.
I no go give you that room.
Say from wetin you dey see in the next 2 years, it will be better.
I dey see
prospect. Are you a prophet?
Are you? You never can tell.
Are you? Now make me talk.
No just talk wetin go make me vex. No just talk wetin no dey attributed to me. If he come in prophet, yes, I might be seeing, yes, you never can tell. Yes, I see the future of Nigeria. Nigeria will do better in the next few years to come. But if you're going to talk with you,
see the one we know they better make the people when the people when go acquire
my own gift no they attributed to that. I only see the good things.
Now only the good things you dey see.
Yes.
You foresee the one wey no good, make those this thing come carry.
Those now you first come catch.
Now you dey go catch.
Mind yourself.
I have freedom of information. I have freedom of
for that
information.
reason, anyway.
Because that's why I know what I'm saying. So you, if you dey see, make you know what you dey see. Because seeing is different.
Anyway, Chuku, make we look the matter. Say, going by what Ogo talk. He talk say wetin dey make am happy right about that now because of say yes, our military. So our military don't they show quick response to the fight against them, and that is insecurity for our body Nigeria. And which of course for me, now waiting we suppose don't look into and address quickly because of course I won't believe that Nigerians they excited. Nigerians go they happy at this point in time. Say yes, at least that will be challenge for us. Say we don't find answers to RAM. At least we apart from the fact say people wey don't they affected by this thing. At least we go avert a lot of subsequent casualties, subsequent happenings from taking place. So it is a very good action from the military, and I would say the military
kudos.
Now well done.
Kudos to our military.
Do well. Now work with the same well. So
but then again, if we dey look at the work of our military, make we dey try dey analyze. So that we go dey very, very careful. No places where we say we need to do some more work. Before I talk the one when dey my mind, make we take Oga Soliu all the way from Warri.
No be Soliu, na Saliu.
Good morning, Soliu, no be Saliu.
Oga Saliu.
Na Arabic, Soliu.
Oga Saliu.
No be Saliu, Soliu.
Oga Saliu, good morning.
Soliu.
Good morning, Kudi.
Good morning.
Oga Soliu, abeg, wetin be your name?
Saliu.
Thank you.
You know hear am? You know hear am?
Thank you.
Saliu.
No.
Saliu.
Thank you. Right on there, Oga Saliu.
You sef no even sabi pronounce
You
your
don't do
name.
your name. Right on,
Good morning.
Good morning.
Chukudi, good morning.
I dey greet you, but I dey vex because you no sabi pronounce your own name. I saw that one before GSS.
Don't do now, make it talk now.
No. Ikubi, don't come back.
I don't come back, Oga Saliu.
Okay.
I hear all the information, the fake information this guy drop on top of my head.
Because Chukudi say you go mad.
No mind am. No mind am.
Okay.
So ride on. Make we hear you.
So what I want to talk be say, What I want to talk be say, 100 days of Buhari, Mo could never complain yet. You know, this Nigeria is a big country.
Yes.
You understand me? So this
Yes.
Nigeria not be family issue. Mo everything easy. Mo could not they complain for 100 days. Person where rule 6 years, we not see nothing you do. Then person where country, all Nigeria they pull up say out of this ceremony, he must do something. You know they easy. Every day, for the year of killing of Boko Haram, Okay, look at what is happening now. We know the year like killing like before again. We could take everything down. We could just pray for this man, make it lead us way. We could forget about tribalism, sentiment. People, in short, when are they to people? So, the way some people they talk, I know they're happy. 100 days, no mean say you must do everything.
Oga
Oga
Saliu.
Saliu, thank you very, very much. You don't make
Thank you
very, very
very much,
important
Oga
points.
Saliu.
Oga Saliu, you go see the passion when they inside them. But as Nigeria dey, everybody dey entitled to their own opinion. But wetin we always dey talk on top of as e dey hot na say we no go allow because of say you dey entitled to your opinion, come talk wetin even though you think say because we go dey emphasize on the good things. I talk am before say if country go better, dem no dey ask say where you come from before e better. If e better, e better for everybody. And this country dey very, very blessed. Now, if we get all the resources we get for different parts of this country, we know they get natural disasters when we say some people they don't resign to faith, say if this rain fall this year, we go they rebuild again. If we know they get that for our country, we know they get earthquake, we know they get wildfires, then why it be say we they suffer? Now, because say some people don't decide say they want to keep for themselves and for their children. But if we get government, when I talk about government, I don't just mean federal government. I mean state, local, even our councillors them. If everybody decides, say, we dey work for our people, make it better for everybody, then it go better for all of us.
And as part of the government, in as much as say we appoint people, say, look, make now go they lead us. We serve as individuals, we are part of a government.
Thank you.
Because now we go also do it, look around and say, okay, if this government they do right here, make we talk so they go feed know it, know say, yes, these people, know what they demand for.
Thank
they
you.
will fit do it. They will fit balance, sit well, so make we do it right. And apart from that, we also ask ourselves, we as Nigerians, make we not also put inside things we no go help our government. We as individuals. So we need to also bring those they positive about ourselves. Make sure say anything they bring up, they positive. Oga Igo, they call us back all the way from Abuja. Good morning, Oga Igo.
Oga Shukudi and Oga
Yeah.
they agree on the first one I cut me off, now allow me finish.
No verse.
Look, if you look at Jonathan regime and Buhari regime, it's just that Block was giving out, but not monetary. But Buhari go give out, then he go monitor.
Now waiting
Now,
government
make I-
maybe that now.
Yes, then make I explain something for you now. This declaration of assets, when I discussed, when I talked this morning, to me, is a distraction to this government. You dey get me? During the campaign, nobody promised say if they win as a governor, say make God declare assets. So
Yeah, but
governor
he follow.
but for no constitution, it was not there. Go if you search, I don't read, I know they. But some governor don't make money already before they enter as governor. So now you want to tell me now say they want to declare assets now. They will declare the assets when they say make them as before they enter now. That they will declare. Which asset you want me to declare? Because now to me, people they say to say now the money say maybe they want they make a no steal. Now you say declare your assets. Some governor already before they join as governor. Now what to me I see for this declaration of assets to me.
Okay, good. I understand the
distraction.
angle they bring them from, but then we also need to state the fact, say, they as part of our law, say, look, make people they declare assets. And
Any
apart from
senior government
yes,
position.
and apart from that, declaration of assets no mean say make people call they put eye. Now to monitor, say, okay, so that if you enter, say that's what they appoint you for. Now what you go do rather than they distracted from probably from what you go stay, add up to what you get. We not
could be
say
make
people
I
they
tell
come
you,
no
see.
get already, then get.
Oh
But
yeah,
then,
wait, so could be make I tell you something. Before Ibori was made, and before they jail am for abroad, let me tell you, they carry out investigation, before they say, see the motor, see the car, see what he buy, before they jail am. But tell me for Nigeria, it's 20 years today, which person they don't jail, say they sentence us to say 4 years imprisonment, 3 years imprisonment. Tell me, which
Oga
person they
Igo,
don't jail?
thank you very
Nobody.
much. Oga Igo, we appreciate this point where you don't carry come. And now waiting we don't dey talk since. Say agencies when we say na their work, make them do the work well, so that we as Nigerians go get confidence in our government. Say if this government say they won't fight corruption,
Make we see the
truly,
results,
they won't
yes.
fight corruption. Quickly, we go rush enter this break. We dey enjoy the calls as they come. When we go come back, we go still throw our phone lines open, make una call because now una show and na the only democracy when they on top of television. We dey come back now still as e dey hot. Welcome back to Aside Hot, on top of the senior brother of all the television station when they inside the Obodo the world, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times, channel 195. And this, now the program of the people, by the people, and for the people. Aside Hot, all of the talk where they come on smoke inside Nigerian politic arrangement. Now we they discuss on Monday, tear rubber. We tear the nylon come out on top of all the action story wey happen over the weekend. We don't look 5 important stories them. But because of, say, today, make am 101 days since our president, Muhammadu Buhari, don't sit down for chair as president of Nigeria, we dey assess am and we don't throw our phone lines up, we make everybody call to Chukuma for inside the matter. Michael from Yaba, Igo twice from Abuja, Queen from Lagos, Chukudi from Owerri, Okay from Calabar, and Oga, I go call him name where Soliu from Warri, don't call to Chukma for inside the matter. And the essence of what everybody they talk now say, our government don't start well. We go still they ask them to do more, but we self go give them the support so that it go better for all of us.
now waiting it be now just that support be the major thing because the government does not exist without us.
Exactly.
And we no fit exist without you, understand? So
Very true.
now pari passu thing, make we just make sure say we dey integral.
That pari passu when you talk the meaning. Some people go begin to come out of that pari passu when
Wetin
you talk the
concern
meaning.
pari passu na general word wey people dey use.
Uhuru no be general word wey people dey
No,
use.
I no know of Uhuru.
Talk the meaning of
Pari
pari
passu na something we say yes. Internally integration, bring them, make we join them together. We go fit blend them so that things go fit move
I
on.
say make you explain am for PG. You say integration, internally blender. Talk am for PG. Wetin
I
pari
say
passu mean?
you bring am right, you bring am, we come together, make sure say things work out. Na im be pari passu.
Paru, bru, bru, bru.
Pari passu. See, no.
You go
Not
mind
my own hand. You go fall for this program.
go mind
Mind yourself.
You go mind yourself. You mind yourself before I
Mind yourself. Wait till me that. I don't know what Paripasu is. Not bad thing.
When I use Uhuru,
not trending word.
Why?
I never hear Uhuru before.
Why you go talk say never hear Uhuru?
Why I hear him?
Why you go talk say never hear Uhuru?
Why? Don't they stutter? Don't they stammer?
Why you go use Paripasu? Why
You
you
see
go
me
use
stammer?
Paripasu?
And they confidently they call Paripasu, but you want to go even the Uhuru they had it to talk. What to be that self? Paripasu is the word. I mean, it's what we all use. We use. Tell them what I use, and then they use Uhuru. Talk what you want to talk if you get anything you want to talk.
No, they command me, I talk. If I want to talk, I go talk.
Keep quiet then. Keep quiet. No talk. Keep quiet. No talk. Look, if you talk, if you make mistake, talk there. If no kata make mistake, talk there.
So you the Adibo for the threat. If you no kata, you the Adibo.
That is how serious I am.
Okwaya, you the Adibo they threaten me.
Oh, you said they had their own.
You still only if you speak.
Oh, you said they had
their own.
Get a boy called Soro. No.
Okay, don't enter your baby. I go speak Calabar for you.
Speak.
I go speak Calabar for you.
Make them catch you. I don't say you know if you speak. Make them catch you. Even if they mention say Calabar, make them catch you.
Our people went there for house. Una don't hear the discussion as the thing they come out smoke. It's very, very important make all of us who are inside of Obodo Nigeria, they talk out. We don't reach the level for our democracy when we say anything when you get to talk up. But no insult anybody, no yab anybody, no call anybody bad name. Talk up the way when the team be. Now why we they encourage to carry all the talk when we say other people go look say they no want talk am because of say they no want make anybody vex. We they talk am, they put them down nicely so that you go call Chukma for the matter. See as all our callers today and plenty people wey even still dey phone line don't contribute for this matter. And we dey call our government say for you to look back say I don't do well. Now when your people begin to raise you up, the hallmark or the essence of any government now when dem comot people go say yes this government.
At least leave legacy wey be say people go say go even for years to come they go remember you for. That is no be say we don see people now people wey don break record people wey don do things wey dem do better things. I don't make people call they recognize people for bad things but make dem say yes you work and make your name. Your children, even the great, make they come here say, who be this person?
Exactly.
That kind of thing. You know what it be? Maybe after you go down steal finish, you could expect make your name, bro, they resound for future.
You know, talking about people wey steal and about wetin we suppose they do. Make we also talk about we as Nigerians celebrating some kind of people for our society.
People who deserve to be celebrated.
You only celebrate people that deserve to be celebrated.
Not be anyhow person.
I don't care whether you be. See, I know they fear anybody.
Wait. You mentioned Calabar, they mentioned say you want to speak Calabar. We don't get caller from Calabar. So I want to make you defend yourself right now. Chris, they call us from Calabar.
I go speak, no be I speak.
No. You know what I make and they call? Oga Chris, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Oga Shukudi.
Oga Chris, good morning, sir. How Calabar this morning?
Omolo be small rain dey fall for Calabar this morning.
Na the change.
Na good thing.
Na good thing, sha. Na good thing. At least yam go strong for ground.
You see, I'm not change.
Make I chook mouth for the 100 days of President Muhammad Buhari.
Okay.
You know, say we do the lay emphasis on wetin no supposed to dey. President Buhari get 1,460 days to stay as president for the next 4 years. If you times 365 days times 4, you'll give you 1,460 days. So after that 1,460, he does only 100 days. You still get 1,360 days to spend. So the days when the time where there for him to spend, plenty past the time where it don't pass. So 100 days, no meaning. Now we don't make it like in our rituals. Before you build house, process is there where you go pass before you build house. So Buhari they like the processes for a better Nigeria. So and they say NPC promise this. And they promise saying go do that one in the first 100 days. They say they go do one before he leave power. You know saying go do one before 100 days.
Yes.
So people they say 100 days you never do this, 100 days you never do that. What if he gone back before the 4 years finish? What think they go talk? So make they leave that man, make him take him time. Do things where the bishop said all of us for Nigeria and go happy at the end of the 4 years. We know that it's not that easy to lead this country. One man doesn't say if you rule Nigeria, there's no place for anyone who will not rule. Because Nigerians, we don't difficult for a person to rule us. So now what I get to talk with that, I go talk my own. That's what I talk with our own.
Oga Chris, thank you very much. And you don't talk your own. You they talk say, look, yes, it is not about the beginning and the end. So make say time still there for God Muhammad Buhari to achieve all these things where he talk say he go achieve. So that time, make we give him. We know say he go try
Oga Chris, this is the way you talk, don't touch me now. You know, you get one thing when we say they always dey rain for our government. If people they celebrate, they go come out, they go roll out the drums, they go begin the herald. Hey, the president, he don't kill dragon, he don't turn stone into bread, he don't climb Mount Olympus, he don't run past Usain Bolt. But our Oga President talk say he want to take things slow and steady, make things they go well. As Nigerians, make we support am. Before President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan talk say Nigerians go need to work with our Oga President and we go need plenty sacrifice. Nigeria and our country, no go spoil. If it better for all of us, it don't better for us and our children. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke, still on the 100 days, but different sectors with different ogbonge professionals. We go tell una say una bye-bye.
Una bye-bye till tomorrow.
That pari pasu when you talk. Never you ever use it.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.